This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. So we are learning about purchase agreements process. Okay. So can anyone unmute yourself and let me know whether you are able to hear me, my voice or not clearly? At least anyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank
Yes,
you.
audible, Satya.
Thank you. Fine. So we are learning about purchase agreements. Okay. So trade agreement journals also we learned earlier. Now we are learning about purchase agreements. In that purchase agreements, there are four different criteria inside available. Let me open this one. Procurement and sourcing module. Give me a second. Purchase agreements. Purchase agreements. So we have learned about one is product quantity and then value. These are the two methods we learned. Another two methods I need to explain you. Let me show you that one first. One is quantity agreement, another one is value agreement. So while creating a purchase order, sorry, purchase agreement, here there are types. One is product quantity commitment, next one is product value commitment. These two we learned from last Friday or Thursday. One is product quantity commitment, another one is product value commitment. Now, the third one, category, I need to explain you. So if you want to understand that one, first I need to explain you what is this category. What is this category? Okay, let us understand about category function. Let me open a duplicate. So what is this category? In product information management, products, not here, setup, categories, category hierarchy. So I will write down the path, product information management, setup, categories and attributes, setup, categories and attributes. Okay, here look at this one, product information management, setup, categories and attributes, and then category hierarchies. So if you open this one, it is showing all under this apparel and footwear. Under this we have children apparels, women, men's. Under this there are some children pants, children outwear, children shirts like women. In the same manner, sports, there are so many things. Okay, so what is this means? This will be majorly used or majority will be used in retail industry. I mean to say, in AX retail, you are going to use a lot about this hierarchy. So this hierarchy can be used in purchase process, sales process, and in the same manner, there are so many processes. So you are categorizing the items, you are categorizing items as per your comfort, as per your comfort. Suppose here, suppose action sports and electronic items. So home appliances separately, cameras separately, and phones separately. Like you can create your own hierarchy, computers separately. So you may think like we have item group, but in this item group, the item classifications, the product classification is we have item group. In the item group, only one level it is available. Only one level means suppose my items I want mobiles. Under this mobiles, one is smart mobiles, another one is basic mobiles. Under this smart mobiles, I want separately Redmi, OneNote, or Samsung. Like if you want this hierarchy in item group, it is not possible. In item group, I can create mobiles, computers, LEDs like that only. I don't have the further subgrouping concept in item groups. Whereas in this process, you have your own classification. You can create new category and you can create new nodes. Under this category, you can create nodes. How whatever the way you want. Suppose under this one, if you want to create new one, yes, you can create. Okay, I don't want to create junk data. So you can try in your system, like you can create hierarchy. This is category hierarchy. You can create your own category hierarchy. So procurement and office supplies means it was created one hierarchy, and in this they have given like some workspaces, workplaces cleaning and training, and then office machines, calculators, photocopies, Xerox machines. I mean to say, tuner like this, vehicles, advertising. So you can create your own hierarchy. This is category hierarchy. Once it is defined category hierarchies, you can create n number of category hierarchies. Once it is defined this category hierarchy, you are tagging this category hierarchy to one is for sales, you can map. Another one is for procurement, you can map. And for retail also there are so many. Retail also you can map so many. In retail module there are so many. So independently you are creating category hierarchies whatever the way you want. Once it is defined category hierarchy, what you are doing here, category hierarchy role associations. Okay, you can click new, and left side it is predefined hierarchies. One is for procurement process category hierarchy, another one is sales, remaining there are many things. So commerce product hierarchy means it is retail. Commodity code hierarchy, supply rental, supplemental rental, retail hierarchy, retail vendor product hierarchy, retail channel navigation hierarchy. There are so many things. So this is predefined. In AX 2012 we have 8, Now it was increased to 12, 11 or 12. Let me verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12. In AX 2012, it is only 8. Now it was Microsoft is increasing like this hierarchy types. So once if you map procurement category hierarchy to this procurement, so this is hierarchy you have created, and this is predefined inside enum. This is predefined, and you have created procurement category hierarchy like procurement and office supplies. One hierarchy you have defined, and you have tagged these two. Once it is tagged, then if you go to procurement and sourcing module, here procurement categories, if you click on that one, in this whatever this is for module, or process, and this is you have defined procurement and office supplies. Let me show you that one. So you have defined procurement and office supplies. This is user defined process. So this process will be shown here in the procurement category hierarchies. So look at this one. This is from procurement module, and this is from inventory management, that is product information management. Now the tabs are different. Look at this one. In this, it is category hierarchy, it is general products, category attributes, commodity codes, category pages, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 is there, tabs. But whereas procurement category hierarchy, there are many things. So let me show you another one. So you have created so many hierarchies here. Suppose sales hierarchy. This sales hierarchy, whatever it is defined by us, this is tagged with sales process. Sales category hierarchy means I have tagged with the sales hierarchy. Now if I go to, let me show you hierarchy, what it is, it was created. Category hierarchies, sales hierarchies. Inside it is audio systems, home audio systems, home audio, something. It was there. Okay. Home audio and home video. Now, if you go to sales and marketing, collapse all. Give me a second. I'll show you categories, sales categories. So look at this one, same. Here it is showing. Okay. The extra information is you are mapping item sales tax group here. In this, sales tax group will not be there. You are tagging this one. So majorly now procurement category hierarchy we are looking. Let me go back to this procurement. So we are mapping procurement category hierarchy. So we have created one is category hierarchies first. Category hierarchies we can define in the blank database. It will be nothing will be there. You need to create your own category hierarchies. Whatever the way you want, you can create based on the like industry, domain knowledge. You are doing category hierarchy, and then category hierarchy role association you are defining. One is for procurement, one is for sales, like that you need to map. Okay, so now what is the benefit from this one? If you map like this, once it is defined, you can map products here. So let me show you some, suppose computers. For that, it was mapped C001, 2, 3, 4. C001, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is created. So if you map like this, what happens? Now I'm going to this procurement and sourcing module, purchase orders, all purchase orders. I'm creating a new purchase order. Yes, suppose I'm selecting 101 vendor. Any vendor is fine. There is no concern here. Select the warehouse. Click OK. So you can select item 1000. Then it is coming product name. Automatically it is filling product name. But procurement category is not there. Suppose I'm selecting item C001. Look at this one. Now name and product category also filling. Name and product category also filling. Otherwise, I'm removing this one. I'm clicking on add lines. Now instead of item, I can select procurement category directly. Suppose office machines, calculators I'm purchasing. Click OK. Click tab. So I can purchase. If you purchase category, you cannot track item details. I mean to say how many purchased, how many sold. It will not show. It will show the transaction details, but it will not show the item quantity numbers. Quantities are like item numbers or how many quantity I have purchased. Those cannot be tracked. But if you want some report, yes, you can generate a report. Majorly, this will be purchased for your internal items. Suppose example like calculators. So calculator is not an asset, not an item master. Actually, you are not purchasing and selling for it's not a trading item. It is not for selling. You are purchasing. It is for your internal purpose. But you need to track those details. Then I can select like this. Understood? This procurement category. So while doing this, while doing purchase orders or purchasing or selling, instead of item on, and earlier you have learned only item number. Now you are learning category as well. So against category you can purchase the material. So on hand inventory will not be increased, but because of this transaction you are entering the details category. If you want one report, you can generate a report against this category, but it will not show in the on hand inventory value because this is not for sales. You are purchasing, this is not for sales, this is for your internal purpose. So you can select category and you can do the transactions. Clear? Any doubt in this?
So Satya, the procurement category is only for internal use.
Maybe or may not be. Suppose usually that may be, but many scenarios it is one of the scenario. Here, if you want to purchase, you can purchase item master. At the time also it is tracking the category as well. So if you select item, definitely you will find on hand inventory as well. So for this also there is a limitation. I will discuss with you later. Product type and product subtype. Most probably tomorrow we will discuss. So now if you select only category, for the category we don't have any on hand inventory functions. We don't have on hand inventory. But if it is tagging with item master with category, yes, in the item master you can track like on hand inventory. It is one of the scenario I told you, like internal scenario. So in retail industry there are so many things. So in retail, category hierarchy is a must. You need to define. In this it is optional only. So if you are using procurement like purchase agreements, at that time if you want category agreement, then only you are going to use. In this optional, whereas in retail it is mandatory. There are so many setups you need to configure. In that, one of the setup is category hierarchy. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So now while doing procurement, like purchase agreements, while doing purchase agreements, we have options now. Let me take duplicate. So let me create one agreement, purchase agreement, procurement and sourcing module, purchase agreements, purchase agreements. I'm clicking on new. Suppose US 110, any vendor I can select. I'm selecting vendor 110. I told you like this is for reporting purpose. You can use whatever you want, you can configure. And now I can map product category value commitment. Product category value commitment. Click OK. Click on add line. I'm sorry. Here I can map category instead of item number. Suppose I have given commitment like I will purchase calculators. I will purchase calculators. Select OK. This is not quantity, amount. So it is product category value commitment. Suppose I'm selecting site and warehouse for specific warehouse. Now I will purchase this amount up to $1,500. Then customer offered me 3% discount. This is applicable up to this next month end. Just I have given any criteria. The same logic, whatever earlier it is there. So now 1,500 amount dollars I'm purchasing. So for vendor, I have given commitment like 1,500 rupees, 1,500 US dollars worth of material I will purchase in these 2 months. Then he has given me commitment like 3% discount. Now once again we can create purchase order, release order by clicking on release order. But at this point it is disabled. What is the reason? We have learned last Friday. If you want to enable this one, why it is not enabled? So it is on hold status. The status is on hold. So if you do confirmation, you can change manually, or you can click on confirm this agreement. Then here it is changing the effective. It is effective. Okay, now it is available. It is effective. The status is effective. Now release order is enabled. I am clicking on release order. So click OK. You cannot have option to select the item. It will be in the purchase orders only. It will create a purchase order, blank purchase order. So PO99 it was created. Let me go back. It is 98 earlier. Now let me refresh. Let me refresh this screen. PO99 will be created. Okay, the last one is PO99. So click on this PO99. I hope everyone is practicing with the system. So if you are not practicing, you cannot understand this application. Please start practicing if you still not started. Now you can select category. You can select category. So calculators, click OK. Click on tab. Select site and warehouse. Suppose I'm planning to purchase 2 quantity each, and it is suppose $55. Automatically the discount will be populated. Look at this one. 3% discount is coming. So 110 is the amount, but discount after discount it is 106.70. Now if you verify the purchase agreement, refresh, it will update that 106 point whatever it is there, it will update remaining amount. Understood? This is purchase agreement. Category value commitment. Category value commitment. Product category value commitment. In the same manner, one more thing you can create, value commitment, the fourth option. Let us understand. So let me map, suppose US 0 1 1 0, otherwise 110 I'm taking. Any vendor you can select, there is no issue at all. So report, for report purpose you need to select classification. And now the fourth option is value commitment. Here it is not product, it is not category, only it was value commitment. If you click here value commitment, now click on add lines, system is coming automatically capturing corporate CORP procurement categories. What is this means? The category hierarchies, whatever it is there, it is means for all categories it is giving opportunity. This is for all categories. Earlier it is specific category, now it is for all categories. Site 1, warehouse 11, and what is the value you are planning to purchase? 5,000 worth of material I would like to purchase. Now vendor has given me 5% discount. This offer is up to this year end, only up to this 1.5 month. So once again it is on hold. Now you need to do a confirmation. Click OK. Then it will be effective. Then you can click on release order, click OK. So for this one, if you purchase any category hierarchy item, then it will be applicable. Okay, so it is 110, US 110 it was mapped. One second, whether we have mapped the same earlier also. Okay, fine, no issues. I think we have created a same for here product category and product category value commitment. Okay, no problem. So for this one, let me go back, refresh. Now so one more 100 purchase order is created. Purchase order 100 is created. Now if you select any item, it will show you the category hierarchy. Like any item you can purchase. Let me purchase any item. Usually for the same vendor will not maintain two purchase agreements, only one purchase agreement, but no problem. So let me proceed. So now I'm selecting category hierarchy. So in this, what I will do, suppose just I'm taking an example. Suppose staples you are taking, you are purchasing this material. This is, you can select any item. There is no restriction here. Give me a second. Small mistake. Site 1, warehouse 11. Suppose 5 quantity. Each one is 200. Now automatically 1000 and 5% discount is populated. If you save it, then automatically this will be available in this agreement. Let me refresh. Now it is 950. Understood? Any doubt in this? There are 4 types of category hierarchy, like 4 types of purchase agreements can be created. First one is product quantity commitment. Next one is product value commitment. Here specific category commitment. Here it is all categories hierarchy, all categories commitment. These are the 4 different types of agreements can be created. Same vice versa you can create from the sales agreements. This is you are agreeing with your vendor, like I will purchase these many items. In the same manner, if it is a sales and marketing, you will have sales agreements, and you can create sales agreements against your customer. Against your customer, you can create the same procedure. This is your customer agreed to purchase these many items. Then here also the same criteria. We have product quantity commitment, product value commitment, product category value commitment means specific category hierarchy, category commitment. Here all categories commitment, whatever the way you want. Okay, you can create. Any doubts in this question, in this topic, purchase agreements? Any questions? Okay, Akanksha, I will ping you separately one to one. If you are getting, Akanksha is there.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, fine. So actually you can ping that to your first thing is like you may receive an email ID to you and one email, new email to your email ID. Have you verified?
I saw the mail ID, sir, but I haven't received anything. The last message which I have got is, I think, September 21st.
So
Sorry, in the
it
mail.
is okay. So we'll discuss at 9:15. I will discuss with you at 9:15. Is it fine for you?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
It's good.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
So, yeah, welcome. So regarding this topic, purchase agreements, any questions here? Anyone understood? Any doubts? Any clarifications? So this is not mandatory process, but usually companies they will use agreements so that both sides benefit. One is if you are purchasing from the vendor, then vendor has confidence on you, like these many worth of material or these many quantity you are planning to purchase. And what is the benefit means you are getting a price. Discounted price you are getting from the vendor. That is the mutual benefits. So you are giving commitment like I will purchase this many quantity or this much amount, unlike this. Okay, fine. Can we proceed with the next topic? Or anyone has any confusion at least or something, so that I will try to give you more examples. Okay, I hope it is clear. Fine. Now this is about, see, we are jumping from three processes. One is purchase process, one is sales process, and one is inventory process. Okay, these three process mixing each other a lot. Now let us understand, in the very first day or second day I have discussed product master, released product, and then item master. So all are same, there is a difference. All are same, there is a difference. Now what is the difference between these four? Let us understand. What is the difference between these four? Let us understand. Okay, product and product master. Product and product master is enterprise level data. What do you mean by enterprise level data? Means if it is created in one company, it will be available in all companies. If it is created in one company, it will be available in all companies. Okay, suppose if you go here, product information management, products, every time I told you like do this one, release a product. Now look at this one, products and product masters. Products and product masters. Okay, so let me first explain you the difference between product and product master. Let me explain you what is the difference between product and product master. Look at this one. While creating this products and product masters, if you click new, so product subtype, product and product master. If you are selecting product, there is no, like, some more fields are not there. If you select product master, look at this one. It is asking product dimension group. In this, it is color, size, style, configuration. Color, configuration, size, style available. So means in this there are three types of configuration technologies: predefined variant, dimension based configuration, constraint based configuration. In 2012 you will find one more, role based configuration. There are four types. So simply, if you want to use tracking dimension group, then it is a product master. I'm sorry, product dimension group, not tracking, product dimension group. Product dimension group. If you are going to use product dimension group, I means color, size, style, configuration. Either one if you want to use, then it is a product master. If you don't want, then it is a product. Understood? Okay. You have, if you remember, I have discussed like if you want to create an item master, we need to have storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, like inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit. So if you want to use product dimension group, color, size, style, configuration, then it is a product master. If you don't want to use, then it is a product. That's what it is. If you are selecting product master, it is asking product dimension group. If you are not selecting, if you are selecting product, then it is that product dimension group will be disappeared. No need to select. That is the basic difference between product and product master. Understood? Any doubt in this? The basic difference between product and product master is product master means you are going to use color, size, style, configuration, either one or combination. Any combination or either one you are creating, then it is a product master. Otherwise, if it is a product means we don't want any of the dimension like dimension group, product dimension group, color, size, style, configuration. If you don't want, you can create a product. Understood? Yes or no, please? At least anyone? The difference between this product and product master?
Yes, Satya.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Now let us understand the difference between released product and item master. Released product and item master. So let me create one released product. I'm creating a released product. I'm creating a new released product. Suppose chair 2. I'm creating chair 2. Okay. Chair 2. Click OK. I clicked chair 2. Click OK. Okay, just give me 1 minute, please. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, so now I'm back. Child 2 we have created. Now I want to purchase this child 2. I'm clicking on add line. Add line. I'm selecting item child 2. What is the error message? Item model group, item group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group have not been specified for this item child 2. Go to release product details from the form and complete the setup. So system will not allow you to proceed. It is stopping the process. It's a warning, but you cannot proceed with this one. You cannot purchase this item until and unless the required fields are mapped. So if you go to product tab, you need to map, click on validate. It is warning message. It's a warning message. So if you want to purchase these items, tier 2, you cannot purchase until and unless you have if you map these 4 things. Means we learned already. If you want to create an item master, I told you like storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. If it is a product master, it is product dimension group, item group, item model group, inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit, 8 mandatory fields. So purchase unit, sales unit, inventory unit was mapped, but these things are not mapped. Okay, so I need to map item model group. And then storage dimension group. So it is not allowed here. So for this, you need to go to dimension groups. Select storage dimension group, tracking dimension group. Click OK. Now close this error message, a warning message. It is a warning message. Close this one and let me try to validate. Now it will show you only one item group is missing. Look at this one. If I'm clicking on validate, now it is telling like item group is not specified. Let me go to inside. Manage cost tab, fast tab. This is manage cost, fast tab. You need to map item group. Now if you click on save and close this error message, a warning message. Now if you click on validate, it will show you blue ribbon. All field values required for this validation are specified for the product. It is fine. Now if you select this item tier 2, now without any errors it will take. Now you can purchase this item. You can purchase this item. So the difference between released product and product item master is see, this is the form name is released product. And if you look at this one purchase order, it is item number or item master. So what exactly means released product can be created without mandatory fields. Once it is mapped the required fields, then it will become product, release product will become item master. Release product will become item master if you map all the required fields. Initially it will be created and need to map mandatory required fields to become item master, item number or item master. Okay, so this difference classification you cannot find in even Google also. No one will explain about these four masters, what is the differences. This is my own own classification or explanation. Okay, so how can I remember? You can remember like product, you can make this baby boy, baby girl, this one suppose. This is baby boy. For understanding purpose only. This is youngster. And this is a man or woman. So now you can understand, you can imagine, this is very simple. So all are human beings only. If you are comparing with human being, I will always comparison, I will take up comparisons so that you can understand, you can remember easily. So this entire explanation is my own words, you will not find anywhere. So the difference between product, product master, release product and item master. Now I have explained difference between these two, but I have not explained the difference between this versus this verse. This I will discuss. Okay, is it clear? Any confusion? Released product can be created without mandatory fields. Once it is mapped the required fields, all required fields, it will become item master. Okay, I cannot write like this is official, but just for remembering, for understanding purpose, I have given example like this. Any questions here? The difference between product, product master, release product and item master. And any questions? These two are enterprise level data or cross company data. This is company specific data. This is company specific data. This is enterprise level data. Or cross company data means if it is created in one company, it will be available in all companies. Now I have created chairs, one item. If you go back to this product, all products and product masters, you will find this chairs too. This chair to whatever I have created in this VSMF company, it is available. Look at this one. Chair 2 is available. Not only in USMF, if I go to RUMF, Russian based company, RUMF, if I go to RUMF, it is available. Look at this one. Chair 2 is available. Look at this. But if you go to released product, it will not be available. Product information management, released products, if you verify chat 2, it will not be there. So this is company specific, these two, and this is enterprise level data, means if it is created in one company, it will be available in all companies. I have shown you in RMF. If I go to suppose INMF, INMF means India based company. In release product, it will not be there. Look at this one. Because I have created in USMF company, it will not show in the release product form. But if you go to all products and product masters, it will be there. So let me filter by chair. It will not show anything in release product. But if you go to all products and product masters, it will be there in INMF company as well. Okay, so in detail, I will discuss with you tomorrow about this enterprise level data concept, the difference between enterprise level data and company specific data. I will discuss with you tomorrow in detail. Okay, any quick questions, please let me know.
Yeah, I think it will be good if you cover this again, Satya. Thank you.
Sure. Okay, fine. We'll connect once again tomorrow, same time, 6 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye.
Thank you. Good day. Bye.
You're welcome.